two differences in style when they matched up against each other. The differences between Muay Thai and Sanda. I see Sanda guy like to punch and then you go for a throw. And then the Thai guy, Muay Thai guy like to throw and utilize his knees and fight from the clinch. Okay, but if you want to learn a lot more about martial arts, number one, this is a good opportunity for you to learn more about martial arts. Around you, you'll see fighters and people wearing the same shirts. Those are most likely their gyms and that they are representing. So you can go up to any of them. They're very friendly people, even though they fight, they're like kind of people, but they're very friendly, very modest, very down to earth kind of people. You can go up to them and ask them where is their gym located, and then you may start your martial arts journey with them. With Sanda people here today, we have mixed martial arts people here today, we have boxing, kickboxing. Sanda matches allow me to introduce our blue corner to walk up into. For 3 2-minute rounds of King of Sanda action. Introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner. This man stands at 180 centimeters tall, weighing in at 71 kilograms, with a record of 1 win and 3 losses. Representing Life and Fitness 17, George Nathaniel. Introducing his opponent, fighting out of the red corner. This man stands at 170 centimeters tall, weighing in at 70 kilograms, with a record of 1 win and 1 loss. Representing PSP Gym, Arif Geoffrey Dana. Ladies and gentlemen, your referee in charge, Referee Benedict.
Doing great. What is the illegal fight? And don't stop talking, okay? All the rules, listen and follow. Thank you all.
Round number 1. Big punch there from Arif. Takedown attempt from George. Back onto the action here. Immediately off of a clinch and grapple. Suplex attempt. Stomach issue here from George. Kick to the leg. These guys have to grapple a little bit more. Arif knocks his head on the ground first. These guys are going to try to throw each other around. Combination from Arif. More punches from Arif. Arif going for the back take and trying to get the takedown. Oh! A lot of takedown in this one. Straight kicks and they back into the grapple. Headlock there from George. Arif trying to get the body lock. 10 seconds left. Kick to the body. Oh! And he finished the round out with a takedown. Seconds out, please. Seconds out. Ladies and gentlemen, round 2 begins right now. Oh! Strong kick. Arif pummeling down. Punching. These guys getting each other into headlocks. To the body. Oh! Oh man! He fell flat where? Some people get winded after falling down like that. Now kick to the body. Arif, another takedown attempt. Takedown again. Kick to the leg. A lot of punches here. Oh! Tango to the floor. Straight punches and kicks once again. Another takedown. So many takedowns in this fight. Oh, it's winning attempt. Oh goodness! Both these guys getting tired now. Kicking a miss there from George. Yeah, all those takedowns takes a lot of energy. Oh! A lot of swing and miss.
Last 10 seconds.
Oh! End of round 2. to provide us with more action as we begin third and final round. Immediately off with a kick to the body there from George. Ooh, kick to the body. Oh, and punches in from George. George on the attack. George hooking the leg. Trying to get the takedown. Zero technique attempt, but still.
Good try. He did try his best within the 2 seconds.
WWE action here.